Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagatom janaisu. So let's start. First up ki ase cloudburst. So devastating cloudburst hoise Uttarakhandot juntoe lead korise to flash floods and landslides. So cloudburst hole ki hole lead koribo pare hetu monot rakhiba flash floods aru landslides hole thik ase. তাৰপিছত ইয়াত at least 4 people have died মানে at least 4 গৰাকী মানুহৰ মৃত্যু হৈছে আৰু and scores are trapped মানে বহুতখিনি trapped হৈ আছে escape কৰিব পাৰা নাই ঠিক আছে যাৰ কাৰণে emergency rescue operation কৰা হৈছে by the state disaster response force and national disaster response force ঠিক আছে so here related এটা MCQ চাও Consider the following statements regarding cloudburst. So, ইয়াত চাৰিটা statement দিয়া আছে আৰু কোনগিটা correct হয় আমি চাব লাগে ঠিক আছে first to কি কৈছে cloudburst usually occur in arid and semi-arid region. This is not true. Cloudburst arid বা semi-arid regionত নহয় ঠিক আছে usually hilly বা mountainous regionত বেছিকে হয়. So, statement 1 is not correct. First, second to ki koise cloudburst is defined as rainfall of 100 mm or more in a hour period over a localized area. This is true. This is the actual definition of cloudburst. ঠিক আছে এনেকে define কৰিব পাৰি যে rainfall কিমান হয় 100 mm per hour ঠিক আছে in a localized area. So statement 2 is correct. Third to ki koise cloudbursts are frequent in mountain regions due to orographic lift. Eto correct hoy orographic lift mane hoise dhorlo eta anaka mountain ase tar bisot air mass eneke ahi pelai they are forced to rise up mane karon mountain to ase no so they are forced to rise up warm air ahi eneke thanda uporle gole to thanda hoi jay ami janu teneke goi yat cloud form hoy mane thik ase cloud form hoy tar pisot it leads to cloudburst thik ase heavy downpour hoi jay intensive rainfall hoi jay bahut intense bahut heavy rainfall hoi jay so this is orographic lift aru hekarne mountainous area cloudburst hoa chances besi thake so statement 3 is correct 2 is correct 1 is not correct 4 to ki koise cloudburst can be predicted accurately with modern weather radars so cloudburst etao accurately predict koribo pora hua nai so statement 4 is not correct so 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer that is option A next ki ase ethanol blend ঠিক আছে consumer aru automobile expert etu concern raise korise je ethanol blended petrol mane especially E20 e ki korise vehicle mileage drop korise mane drop hobole cause korise ঠিক আছে etu karone vehicle mileage drop hoise ঠিক আছে while government promotes ethanol blending for government কিন্তু ethanol blending petrol promote kore kyo karon etue emissions reduce kore for reducing emission and oil imports ঠিক আছে the performance and efficiency issue are becoming a point of contention ঠিক আছে এটা এটা নতুন কনসার্ন রাইজ হইছে যে vehicle performance or vehicle mileage or efficiency issues or problem hoise ঠিক আছে এটা MCQ করেন so ইয়াত আমাক ethanol blending program regarding sarita statement dise aru kungita correct hoy kobo lage first to ki koise ethanol is a biofuel derived primarily from sugarcane rice and maize this is true ethanol hoise eta biofuel aru primarily korpora derive kore sugarcane rice and maize thik ase statement 1 is correct second to ki koise E20 fuel contain 20% ethanol and 80% পেট্ৰল E20 যোনটো ফুয়েল হয় হেতু কি কন্টেইন কৰে 20% ethanol কন্টেইন কৰে আৰু 80% পেট্ৰল কন্টেইন কৰে সো statement 2 is also correct third to কি কৈছে ethanol blending reduces vehicular carbon emission আমি already চালো কি reduce কৰে হেতু কাৰণে গভৰ্ণমেন্টে এটো প্ৰমোট কৰি আছে হয় নাই কাৰণ কাৰ্বন এমিশন ৰিডিউস কৰে কিন্তু এতিয়া কি কনসার্ন রাইজ হৈছে মে লোৱাৰ fuel efficiency so statement 3 is also correct 4 to কি কৈছে India aims to achieve 100% ethanol blending in petrol by 2030 it's not 100% it's 20% ঠিক আছে 100% নহয় 20% হয় তো statement 4 is not correct 1 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer that is option A okay next Lok Kalyan Divas was observed across India so India Lok Kalyan Divas palon kora hoise kihor karone to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay ঠিক আছে কেতিয়া হৈছিল 5th August হয় নাই proponent of integral humanism মানে কি ideologue of Bharatiya Jana Sangh Bharatiya Jan Sangh the forerunner of BJP ঠিক আছে so তেওঁ ইন্টিগ্ৰেল হিউম্যানিজমৰ সাপোৰ্টাৰ হয় তেওঁ এটো ডেভেলপ কৰিছে এই ফিলসফিটো কি হয় তো এটো এটা সোশিও পলিটিক্যাল ফিলসফি হয় ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত the day is marked by various welfare activities and public awareness এই ডেটো কি হৈছে by various welfare activities hoise tabisot public awareness campaign hoise focusing on upliftment of the poor and marginalized ঠিক আছে ইয়াৰ related কেটামান MCQ কৰো okay consider the following statements regarding Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay so here are 4 statements about him aru kunita correct hobo lage first to ki koise he was the founder of Bharatiya Jana Sangh he was not the founder but he was a prominent member prominent leader kintu founder nohoy founder asile Shyam Prasad Mukherjee ঠিক আছে founder কোন asile Shyam Prasad Mukherjee asile he was not the founder so statement 1 is not correct the second to ki koise he propounded the philosophy of integral humanism teo kuntu philosophy follow korisile develop korisile integral humanism statement 2 is correct ঠিক আছে third to ki koise Lok Kalyan Divas is observed on his birth anniversary আমি চালু কিহৰ কাৰণে observe কৰা হয় এটো দিৱস তেওঁ birth anniversary কাৰণে ঠিক আছে fourth to কি কৈছে he served as the first vice president of India he never served as a vice president ঠিক আছে so statement 4 is not correct 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer that is option B next Birendra Kumar Dr. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya and tributes were paid to Dr. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya, a legendary Assamese novelist. There was one legendary Assamese novelist asile, short story writer asile, journalist asile, thik ase on his death anniversary, recognizing his immense contribution to modern Assamese literature and his role in bringing Assamese writing to national prominence. ঠিক আছে he was the first Assamese recipient of Gyanpith award ঠিক আছে প্ৰথম গৰাকী Assamese writer যাক Gyanpith award দিয়া হৈছিল ঠিক আছে কিহৰ কাৰণে দিছিলে মৃত্যুঞ্জয় বুলি যোনখন লিখিছিলে হেখনৰ কাৰণে দিয়া হৈছিল ঠিক আছে মৃত্যুঞ্জয়ৰ কাৰণে দিয়া হৈছিল এটো মনত ৰাখিবা so here are 4 statements about him কোনগিটা correct হয় আমি চাও he was the first writer from the northeast to receive the Gyanpith award yes that is true teo prothom goraki writer asile june Gyanpith award paisile from northeast ঠিক আছে so statement 1 is correct kihor karone paisile mrityunjoy karone paisile ঠিক আছে second to ki koise his novel Yarungam brought him the Sahitya Academy award ইয়াৰিংগাম নোবেলখনৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ কি পাইছিলে সাহিত্য অকাডেমি এৱাৰ্ড পাইছিলে সো স্টেটমেন্ট 2 ইজ অলসো কাৰেক্ট কোনটো ইয়াৰত পাইছিলে তোমালোকে কমেন্ট ডাউন কৰিবা ঠিক আছে থাৰ্ডটো কি কৈছে হি সাৰ্ভড এজ দা প্ৰেসিডেন্ট অফ অসম সাহিত্য সভা দিস ইজ অলসো কাৰেক্ট তেওঁ অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰেসিডেন্ট হিচাপেও সাৰ্ভ কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে ফোৰ্থটো কি কৈছে হি ট্ৰান্সলেটেড দা মহাভাৰতা ইনটু আসামিজ দিস ইজ নট ট্ৰু তেওঁ মহাভাৰতা ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰা নাছিলে আসামিজলে ঠিক আছে so 1 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer that is option C next India is ready to host ki host koribo ready WHO International Regulatory Cooperation of Herbal Medicine Workshop kihor uporat on herbal medicine safety and regulation from Etiapura August 6 to August 8 2025 in Ghaziabad code eta monot rakhiba code koribo Ghaziabad thik ase the workshop aims to harmonize global standards for herbal medicine regulation and promote traditional medicine integration into modern healthcare. So, yeah, related at MCQs now. Okay, consider the following statements regarding WHO, IR, CHM, India's role in herbal medicine regulation. Here are 4 statements. The correct first, it stands for International Regulatory Corporation for Herbal Medicine. Eto ami already salu full form to statement 1 is correct. Second to ki koise the Pharmacopoeia Commission for Indian Medicine and Homeopathy supports standardization of Indian traditional medicine. This is also true. Statement 2 is correct. Third to ki koise the Ministry of Ayush is the nodal agency for organizing WHO's Global Health Summit on Nutrition. Statement 3 is not correct. The Ministry of Ayush is focused on traditional medicine, not WHO's Global Summits on Nutrition. Statement 3 is not correct. Ashwagandha is often used in traditional Indian medicine for its therapeutic properties. This is also true. 1, 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer. That is option A. Okay. Okay. That's all for today. আজি mains or question include kora nohole ane nokorile so agor khini practice kori thakiba azile imanote hamorisu. Thank you.